As well, myself Sunil Ram. Hello, myself Sunil Ram Nair. Here, basically, we are discussing about one topic, that is currencies. In this, basically, we are discussing about one topic, that is idea. In the idea, basically, we discussed that about one Bollywood, basically. So one that is basically, this is basically the last video with continue basically part, you can say. In this, basically, we discussed that one Bollywood person basically created 10 movies. He basically died 3 times in real life, basically in real life. He died 3 times. First blood cells of the first body, second blood cells of the second body, third body is there. These two blood cells basically joined with the third blood cells. So first blood cells joined, second blood cells joined. Now basically the third blood cells came. So that also basically joined the thing basically. So as per the story basically, his brain might be getting remember that basically he basically was, he's basically, this birth basically was when he will be getting the story of this, whenever basically he might be getting certain level of blood cells basically inside the body, and after connecting with some certain level of love story basically, it might possible that his brain basically connects to the first birth basically, like second birth, like this basically. It might possible that Bollywood group basically might create something basically like some human needs, like what example, assume that Bollywood created one fruit, that is dragon fruit. Bollywood group created, they basically taken by 900 crore people, and they basically generated some energy, and that basically converted into 4 crore 4 lakh planets. So 4 lakh planet basically that is created, right? That are placed into the earth in the universe. In that basically one energy, one 5 crore planet basically got attract to this 5 crore planet, as in the 5 to 6 crore basically. 6 planet basically got created, 6 lakh basically planet got created from this dragon data. 5 crore planet basically attracted from this 6 crore data. That is basically 6 lakh planet basically was created from the dragon food. They basically placed in certain location where the 5 crore planet basically was moving, and they basically attracted. They were placed in that location basically that it will attract, because they know that basically the universe group know that basically this 5 crore planet are going to pass, because they want to do some road mapping basically from this dragon food basically. So each category group basically gets the data basically. So here it's a Bollywood group, like this basically many sectors are basically created. So 6 lakh basically planet attracted, and as they basically passed the energy to this 5 crore planet. The reason basically the 5 crore planet basically attracted uh, was attracted basically, and taken that 5 6 lakh planets energy. The planets energy basically get got, then basically they start moving to the different place. They basically connected with this 6 lakh planet. 6 planet is basically created from that dragon food. Now basically what happened, they basically they're basically in 5 crore people, assume 5 crore basically that in assume basically that in 5 crore people 5 crore planet basically the people also basically are existing, they are staying basically. Like this where what happened, they want to, they basically got the chain basically, right? They got the chain. Now basically they want to activate their Bollywood data there. They want to activate the Bollywood data there. They have already tested with the help of this actor basically. They have created one actor. They basically first blood cells is mapped, second blood cells is mapped on the base of certain blood cells creation. Like this is everything basically is doctor is doing, and the energy environment group doctor basically, and the construction doctors basically. Like this basically the energy is set in the 5 crore planet basically. Now basically what done, they basically got the information that whenever the planet basically is going to move to that direction basically, that time basically they have to pass the condition basically. The pass the condition means it should attract to uh, 5 crore planet basically, sorry, 5 crore, in the 5 crore people, the people basically who are staying in the 5 crore, they should attract this energy basically. So for that basically what they have done, they know that basically they are going to generate this story. uh, they basically got the information that this story is going to generate, so according to that basically they have passed the information, so that story basically got generated in the environment. They have the environment of that 5 crore plant that this type of story is going to generate. So like this basically they activated the blood cells of the dragon fruit. Like this basically they chained the data, and they basically started passing the data to the, passing the data to the 6 lakh planet, and 6 lakh planet basically was passing the data to the 5 crore planet. So just see basically the chaining system basically which has done basically. It's not so easy basically, and same with the earth planet also got lots of chain system basically. So like this the data basically passed. Now basically they started generating the planet data, that is the story basically they were passing from the earth planet. That was basically the dragon fruit story. That was that 10 movie basically which was created by which was basically the which was the person basically who was the actor of that movie. He was the best actor basically. That means he was having the entire blood cells of the entire movie basically. That type of character he was playing that. So just to see basically, that means he actually grasped the entire basically blood cell, entire movie blood cells, like this basically. So entire movie blood cells basically he got the thing like this basically. He got the entire movie blood cells, and then second birth basically what happened like this basically. Third birth like this he connected with the 10 movies. So he was having 10 chain basically, assume that 10 basically chains of the movies basically. Like for example one movie chain basically got broken, then basically second movie chain is there, like this basically they have kept 10 backups basically. Like this basically they were passing the data to that 6 lakh planet. Assume that basically if one movie data basically they were passing, that basically got some problem, and that basically got chain breaks. So another movie data is there basically, so they passed the another movie data. Like this basically 10 movie backup basically was there. That's why basically the first person died, second same person basically got second birth, third person basically got the first blood cells and second blood cells. Like this basically they have kept 10 backup plan. So just see basically up to what level the Bollywood groups doctors basically are thinking. Bollywood doctors basically are thinking up to, just see the up to the level basically they are thinking basically. So like this basically the Bollywood industries, and they have created everything like this way, and they basically have lots of planets also. They also have lots of planets in the universe basically. They also have lots of planets in the universe. Like this basically they also have lots of planets in the universe, and they are basically passing the data with the help of the human needs which is created in the form of dragon. Here basically I have taken example of dragon. In real basically they might have created lots of human needs basically. They might have created lots of human souls also. For example 1 lakh movies there, then minimum basically they might have created 1 crore human souls. So minimum basically 1 crore population will be there for the 1 lakh movies basically which is created. That environment basically is generating in the earth planet environment in the each and every city basically. So that minimum basically 1 crore I am taking. So maximum it can be 100 10 crore 12 crore. So it might be like that basically. So just see basically up to what level the things basically are. So like this basically this was also one of the idea basically of the Bollywood group industry. This idea is same as the potato and tomato energy basically was created, but this was totally different idea. That was basically the, here basically they have kept old Bollywood person and new Bollywood industry, new basically next generation Bollywood industry person basically launched with new blood, with new face, with new body structure, but old blood cells basically was also there, with which was connecting the new blood cells generation basically, which basically he was having the body basically. In next video we are going to see little bit more about this.